Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important search engine, and the second tool is that a tool which is helpful for our literature review writing. It is like a chat with PDF like tool, so where you can upload your document and you can generate or analyze that particular document or generate literature review from that document. So these are the two tools we are going to discuss. We will go on and explore these two tools, and we will arrive at a conclusion how these two tools will be very helpful for our research paper writing. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop we are going to model DC and AC microgrids using different types of renewable energy sources like PV, wind, etc. So after that we are going to operate this microgrid with standalone mode and also with that is grid connected mode of operation. So and we are going to make a proper energy management in this microgrid. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first tool what we are going to discuss today is that Brave. So it's a search engine, so where you can give a search, so it will search like a Google and it will generate answer for you. For example, I am going to give a common topic, renewable energy. So like that I am going to give a common topic here. So here you can see the search results will be generated as like Google. So here you can see that this is the search result, renewable energy, so solar, wind. So click on more, so it will generate the more details associated with that particular topic. So and also as like in Google, it will give images also, the images related with the renewable energy. So like that you can make use of this option. So next we will ask for some references. Generate reference for the paper titled energy management in smart grids. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So here you can see that the papers will be generated here. Implications of smart grid and customer involvement in energy management. So and then you can see that a comprehensive review of recent advanced and energy management, and then energy management and smart grids, technological advancement towards smart energy. So next, energy management system or smart grid and overview. So these are the different papers is generated using this particular search engine. So like that it will generate a that is a specific a precise that is searches related with your content you are giving. So like that you can make use of the search engine for your research also. So you can generate as like in Google's, it will generate content. So here you can see that the most associated with that particular topic is generated perfectly with some numerical data also. So whenever you are going for a search for your data or any reference papers related with your research, so you can use this search engine to search. So go on and explore this search engine. So if it find useful, so you can use this. So here it is for free only, so you can use this search engine. So make use of this option using this Brave AI. So the next tool what we are going to discuss is that so document.chat. So it is like chat GPT like tool, that is chat with PDF like tool. So where you can upload your PDF and you can analyze that PDF easily. So here you can see that. So here, and also it acts as a chat bot. So here you can generate content using GPT-4. So first we will explore this option. So in this option you can upload your PDF. For example, I am going to upload this particular PDF. So let us see how it will upload. So it will take several seconds to upload the PDF. So our PDF file is uploading. So here you can see that. So here this is the PDF file I have uploaded here. A new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy controller in mobile robot. So here you can ask what are the questions you want related with that particular paper. So for example, I am going to ask that make a literature review of this paper. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that our content is generated. The paper discusses a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy robot, fuzzy control of mobile robot. The ant colony optimization algorithm is highly dependent on the values defined for its parameters, adaptation and parameter control and recurring themes. Next, the paper explores a new fuzzy approach for diversity control for ACO to avoid or slow down full convergence through a dynamic variation of a particular parameter. So these are the different content is generated using this particular document.chat. So you can make use of this option and you can upload your paper and you can generate a better content. So next we'll move on to the chatbot. So this is the chatbot. As like many of the chatbots, so you can give any input you want. For example, I am going to give generate an abstract for the paper titled grid connected PV system. So like that you can give an input prompt. So here but you have to go for subscription option in this particular chat with PDF. So here only one chat will be allowed per day for a plan. So you have to upgrade for premium for unlimited chats. So here this is the premium plan option. So here you can see that $6.93 per month. So you can get a premium that is you can generate content using GPT-4 and you can have unlimited monthly chats and 5000 PDF uploads. Next, generate articles, reports, whatever you can't generate using GPT-4 credits. So you can use this GPT-4 credits to generate a better content for your research paper. So go on and explore this that is both the search engine and the chat with PDF like tool to generate a better content for your research paper. So hope this video will be very helpful for you, so you can aware about this kind of tools. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.